Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at how do we draw a three-dimensional object given a two-dimensional view of the object that we want to solve, right? So here we have the front elevation below, and above we have the plan. All right, so let's label it. Okay, so let's label it. So this is the plan here. So this above here is a plan. All right. The one below is a front elevation. So this one is a front elevation. All right, good. All right, so what would the we have a 2D drawing representing an object. What would the 3D object look like? What shape would it be? What would it represent and what would it look like? Can you guess? All right, it's gonna look like a cylinder, all right? This is a front and this is a plan. It's gonna look like well, it is a cylinder, all right? Now in oblique projection, in the last video, we looked at oblique projection. Can you recall what is an oblique drawing? No? Yes? All right, we're gonna draw the oblique projection right now, and then you will be able to recall. So the first thing I'm gonna draw is a circle, okay? Is that good? Yes, we're gonna draw the circle. All right, so we're gonna go circle, enter. All right. All right, so I've added some dimensions to the two-dimensional drawing that was given. So here now, what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to draw a line from the center of the circle. So you can revisit the oblique drawing video that I posted in the same channel, right? To familiarize yourself with the principle. All right, so here we have our first part of the three-dimensional drawing. Yes, and we draw it right. So can you guess what that length would be? It would be 120. And what the angle will be, you're going to draw it at 45, all right? Good. Enter, right? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to draw a circle here. And the radius would be, can you guess? All right. Then now the next step, are you following? Good job if you are. All right, the next step is to draw a line waiting on my line. All right, so there we have our oblique drawing, which is a three-dimensional drawing given the two-dimensional view, which was the front and the front elevation and plan. All right? Right, so here we have our oblique drawing, yes, which is a three-dimensional drawing of the two-dimensional drawing which was given on the left of the screen. So good job if your drawing is looking fabulous, as it is always is, yes. And that brings us to the end of today's video. In the next video, I'll be showing you how can you locate an object on the oblique projection. So see you in the next video. Bye.